Vincent Rodriguez, Service Manager of Apex Pumping Equipment. This is our Senior Technician, Robert Barrett. Today we are here to demonstrate a new product that we have to offer the industry. This is the MD22 Fire Pump Controller Periodic Exercise. In NFPA 25, 2010 edition, it states that one should conduct a weekly exercise of their fire pump assembly. In NFPA 25, 2010 edition, Chapter 8.3.1.1, it states that this weekly test should be conducted by dropping pressure in the system automatically. So what we'd like to do today is we'd like to demonstrate how this system works. What we will do is we'll go ahead and drop pressure in the system, showing you how a normal condition fire pump controller should run when a loss of pressure occurs. As you can see, the pressure loss was displayed on the system gauge, and the fire pump controller kicked on. We've installed a light in order to display the running condition. We're going to go ahead and shut this unit off and move forward. What we will do now is we'll go ahead and remove what's called the automatic run relay in order to demonstrate or simulate a damaged automatic run relay so that you can see what would happen in the event of a scheduled exercise. Okay? We remove that relay, and we're going to go ahead and initiate the MD22 exercise. As you can see, the pressure in the system dropped. However, the unit did not kick on. This is the alarm that you would receive at the face of the controller, which is displayed as a failed to start condition. We'll go ahead and reset that. And then what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to fill our system back up, put the relay back in, and then we're going to demonstrate a pressure switch failure condition. We're going to hold down the pressure switch in order to demonstrate this, and Rob will go ahead and initiate the run condition by the MD22. Okay? As you can see, the pressure is lost, however the unit didn't start. Again, we received the failed to start condition at the front of the controller. I'll go ahead and silence that alarm. The unit's going to go ahead and kick on because that pressure switch rolled over as it should, filling our system back up. Rob will go ahead and shut the system down. Keep in mind how compact this unit is. This unit is 16 inches tall by 14 inches wide and by 7 inches deep. This unit requires a 120 volt power supply, which should be a dedicated power source. At the top of this unit, we have installation tabs in order to allow you to conveniently mount the NEMA 12 enclosure onto the wall. If you'd like, you can go ahead and install this unit on the actual controller in order to save space inside the fire pump. At the face of the unit, you'll see the failed to start light, the coil failure light, and the alarm silence and reset button. We've got a 120 decibel alarm that will sound when these conditions occur. What we have done, we went ahead and removed the coil inside of the fire pump controller that we were just doing the tests on, and we've installed a bad coil, one that is not functioning. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, initiate an MD22 initiated start, and you'll see that the unit didn't kick on because the coil's bad. When this occurs, you can see you would get a coil failure and a failed to start, visual alarm, and audible alarm. We'll go ahead and silence that. And that's your MD22 Fire Pump Controller Periodic Exercise. You can contact us at 866-563-2739 or on the web at www.262apex.com. Please remember, at Apex Pumping Equipment, we supply solutions. Thank you and have a great day. To conduct it. Hello, my name is Vincent Rodriguez, Service Manager at Apex Pumping Equipment. This is our Service Technician, Robert Barrett. Today we'd like to introduce to you a product for which we presently have a patent pending. It's the MD22 Fire Pump Controller Periodic Exercise. In NFPA 25, 2010 edition, in Chapter 8, it states that one shall conduct a weekly exercise of their fire pump assembly. Also in Chapter 8, it states that that weekly exercise should be conducted automatically.
The MD22 can meet all these requirements without the use of human intervention. It will initiate a call to run, which will allow you to meet those requirements.
We do recommend that this weekly exercise be supervised. If you currently have alarms monitoring your fire protection system, you would simply have to contact them and ask them to disregard your alarms throughout your exercise. This is something that we've been doing for quite some time on diesel applications. We would like to go ahead and begin our demonstration by simply displaying to you this miniature fire protection system. We've downsized this system in order to be able to display this. As you can see, our system has approximately 90 psi in it. We're going to go ahead and drop pressure in your system, simulating a fire situation. The pressure will be lost in the system, and the fire pump controller will run. And this will be displayed by the red light that we have installed. As you can see, the loss of pressure occurred. The fire pump kicked on and is presently running. We'll go ahead and shut that unit down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the controller and we're going to remove what is called the automatic run relay. This will simulate a damaged automatic run relay and what would occur when the MD22 calls this device to run. As you can see, Rob removed the relay and we're going to initiate the MD22 run. The system pressure was lost and the MD22 sensed that the call to run did not occur. As you can see, you're receiving a fail to start alarm at the face of the controller. We'll go ahead and reset that. We'll install our relay, and then what we'll do is we'll fill the system back up. Once we've filled the system back up, we're going to display a pressure switch that is not functioning properly. We'll fill the system up. The system is now full. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold the pressure switch down, and we're going to initiate a call to run. Okay? And as you can see on the face of the controller, you will see the fail to start alarm. Alright? We're going to go ahead, silence that. I'm going to release the pressure switch. The system is going to get filled back up, and we're going to shut the system down. Now, if you take a look at the size of this fire pump controller exercise unit, very compact. 16 inches in height, 14 inches in width, and 7 inches in depth. It's a standard NEMA 12 enclosure. It has a 120 decibel alarm, a fail to start visual alarm, and a coil failure visual alarm. It also has an alarm silence reset button. You can also see that we've got installation tabs at the top in order to allow a more convenient and efficient installation. What we've done is we've had Rob remove the coil that we had inside of this unit in order to conduct our exercises. And what we've done is he's installed a coil that's damaged. What we're going to do is we're going to initiate a run by the MD22, and you're going to see that we're going to receive a coil failure alarm and a fail to start condition. Here we go. The pressure in the system is lost, and you receive the coil failure and fail to start condition alarms. We'll go ahead and silence that. That is our demonstration of the MD22 Fire Pump Controller Periodic Exercise Unit. You can contact us at 866-563-2739 or on the web at www.262apex.com. And remember, at Apex Pumping Equipment, we supply solutions.